Welcome, in front of me is a XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification on this device. So before I actually begin the process, I will show you that the device is locked. Now, while I'm gonna proceed through this, what you want to do in the meantime is disconnect from Wi-Fi. So if you are connected already, go back to the Wi-Fi settings and completely disconnect from it. Now I will connect right now just to show you that that the device is locked. And there we go. So you can see I can unlock it either using a pattern or using the Google account. So now to get started with the bypass, what we're gonna do is go back to the Wi-Fi settings right here and simply tap on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to and disconnect from it. It's just somewhere at the bottom. Forget network. Okay. There we go. So once you're not connected to a network, tap on skip. From there, continue with the setup. And here you want to basically set up some kind of protection to your device. So I'm going to choose only screen lock. And if you've seen when I showed you that the device is locked, you probably did see that it had a pattern as a way to verify the old account or old user. So I'm going to keep it a little bit different and switch from pattern to PIN. So it's going to give me a message to remember my PIN because, well, it's important to remember your passwords. So there we go. Once you confirm that, you can set it up. So as you see right now, I didn't need to confirm anything. I can just simply set up a new PIN. And there we go. And as you can see, that basically sets up the PIN. So now what we're going to do is go back to our Wi-Fi and we're going to connect to Wi-Fi. So let me just do that again off the screen. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, I am connected right now. So let's go through the setup. Now once more we're gonna get the verification, but as you can see it's changed from a pattern to a PIN. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that is what I set my PIN as. Tap on next, and this basically I would say unlocks the device, but I would still recommend you to perform a factory reset of the device just to be sure that it basically unlocks it completely. So right now I'm gonna skip majority of the things right here and just try to get access to the home screen as quick as I can. Okay, there we go. So there's the home screen. So from here, what you want to do is go into the settings, scroll down to, I believe it's about phone. Yep, and there it is, factory reset, and then erase all data. Now again, you will need to confirm the PIN if you have chosen one like I did. So for me, again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have the two countdowns. Now I'm not going to bother going through this because honestly this will just perform a factory reset of the device and it will take you back to the setup screen, at which point all you need to do is just set up your device as you would normally set it up. So you can connect to Wi-Fi or skip it if you want to, add Google accounts or not. It's just completely up to you how you want to set it up. As you, well, the device is going to be fully unlocked at that point, so you can do whatever you want with it. So yeah, basically tap on next, wait another 10 seconds, tap on OK, and this will begin factory reset, and from there set up your device and you're done. So I'm not really gonna go through it, but I wanted to show you how to finish it up. So that being said, this is how you would unlock or bypass the Google verification here. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.